Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. So I'm going to be rating my fidget toys. This is a Tangled, and as you can see, it has little sparkles in it, and you can see inside. And basically, what you do with this is like you can tangle it. And you can do this, and you can just play with it when you want to. And I got this needle or something. I forgot what it's called, but it comes in a case. And it has sparkles, and when you shake it, it gets darker. And when you put it in, it looks blue. When you pop it out, it looks, I forgot, purple. And I have this. Oh, I forgot to be rating them. Oh no. Okay, back to my Tangled. I rate my favorite one a 9. Yeah. I rate this one a 7. Okay, these are like pea dimples, I don't know, but they have little puppy faces. And I rate them pretty hard to squish up. I rate them a 4 out of 10. Okay, now I'm going to be rating my little squeeze things. Pretty sticky, you can throw it at the wall. I rate this one, I like it, it's cute, a 8 out of 10. So better than these. I rate this one, you can see it sometimes sparkles if you push it up so much, or sometimes you can just see slime. Because this one's cool and it's made out of slime. I rate this one a 9. I like the bee better than this one. Now I'm going to be rating this one, and as you can see, you can color it with markers, but I want to leave it white until maybe a next video, or maybe leave it white. Wow. And I rate that one another 7. And I rate this flamingo an 8. Now we are going to be rating this Among Us puppet. Pretty hard to pop, yeah. Sort of hard to pop on this side, but this side's so cool. I rate this one, let's have a little think. What would you guys rate it? Maybe I'll rate this one, On the good side, it's so cool. I can do this. Basically, I'm schooling today, and I'm gonna bike ride across my house. I rate this one a 7. So much 7s. I have 15 puppets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but some are missing. I rate this puppet a 9. Good side circle. Has words on it, has letters. Yeah, I rate it a 9. This one, it's cool because it has plastic around it and it's colorful. I rate this one. Well, this is actually my real favorite, so I rated a 10. It's my favorite. I rated a 10. I rate this pink and green and white one. Basically, that one, it's actually both sides good. This one, both sides good. I rate this one a 9. Now we are going to go in this one. Yellow, white, and pink. I rate this one. Let's see if both sides are good. Wow, both sides are super good. That one's the best still. I rate this one another 10. Oh, this one actually over 10. This one 10. What? This one, it has 100 pop pits, like the little pop things. Wait, let me count. Okay, guys, I'll pause it, then come back. Yep, has about 100 or 91. I had to count half and then say what's the other number plus half of that. I don't know if you can understand. I rate this one to be honest, I actually rate this one a 9. Okay, this blue, white, pink, and purple one. I rate this one let's say 10. And thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna get something else if I can find any more puppets and come back to the video quickly. And as you can see, I'm holding my baby doll. It's called a newborn baby. And it can wear its dummy, magnetic dummy. You can put this on. It has tons of clothes in my room. And it has painted hair but looks real. And I don't know the brand, so sorry guys, you just have to find it if you want it online. They might not maybe make any more, but I think they do. It's wearing, excuse me, it's wearing a Love You Mama shirt, and it's wearing buns, leaf, and flower pants, and it's wearing some socks. And it has that under and a cloth body, not cloth, but soft body, and it feels so snuggly like a bear. Sometimes I want to sleep with it, but I can't because once when I was little, I slept with it, and then I didn't see it, and it was like this, and I didn't find it. Bye! Thanks for watching my video. Bye! Bye, bye, bye. I love you guys. Subscribe for my channel.